Hey folks, after a warm afternoon across the valley where temperatures in most places reach the 80s, we're coming back down from that. It's still 80 in McAllen and Rio Grande City, 86 there. Everybody else in the 70s as we speak under mainly clear skies. Low temperatures tonight will be in the mid 60s across the area. 67 at the island to about 63 in the west. And then tomorrow, temperatures are going to look a lot like what we saw today, but that shifting wind coming out of the northwest instead of the southeast means drier air is going to build in. The humidity is going to drop. It's going to feel like a really nice day out there. If you look at the next 3 days, we're at 83 both tomorrow and Sunday, so well above the seasonal average, which is 75. And then Monday, front comes in and we hold right at the norm, and then we're cooler probably on Tuesday and Wednesday, but the weekend just looks delightful. Patchy clouds earlier today have moved out. We've ended up with clear skies across most of the area, and overnight tonight will probably stay clear, but patchy fog will show up. Maybe you saw that thin blue line race through there. Mid-morning, something like that. We do have a front coming in tomorrow morning. That's what's going to bring the lower humidity air into the region. It's not going to cool it off much. We'll still be back in the 80s, but with drier air in place, it'll feel more comfortable across the region, and that'll be a north wind to go with that. Now on Sunday, the wind comes back out of the south already. That brings the moisture back in. Dew points start coming back up. We get back up to about where we were today. And then Monday, another front pushes through. That one could trigger a shower in a couple of spots, maybe some lingering clouds behind it, and then some much cooler temperatures for the middle part of next week. But the weekend's dry, both Saturday and Sunday. Monday, about a 20% probability for a brief shower in a couple of spots. Here's the rest of Texas. There is a front in the state, 52 only in Dalhart, but 71 Dallas, 73 Austin, same thing in San Antonio, Laredo at 78. Big picture shows where the clouds are, and there aren't many in our part of the state, but there's patchy stuff around Texas. That's because there's fronts all over the place. One of them is going to come through here. Warm front moving away, two of them actually. Cool front pushes in tomorrow morning. With it, the drier air builds in. It's here for about a day. Sunday, things turn back around. The southerly wind kicks back in. Humidity starts to come back up. And then Monday, another front forms right on top of us. That one pushes to the south. The cooler air builds in. Could be a shower with that front on Monday, but after that, it looks dry for most of the rest of next week. The long-range forecast does take this high over here by the end of the week. And when that happens, the southeast wind kicks back in. That brings moisture in and brings back the chance for a shower, at least in a couple of spots. Winds out of the south tonight, north tomorrow at the coast, 10 to 16, a moderate chop. UV index remains high, the bay temperature 65, the surf at 67. Three tides, a low, then a high, then a low. Seas about 3 to 5 feet. There's a moderate risk of rip currents. So for tonight, 65, above normal, but still pretty comfortable. Watch out for patchy fog late tonight and early tomorrow. Then tomorrow afternoon, 83, a lot of sunshine, less humidity. Nice day. Northwest winds at 7 to 14. I think Sunday, a little more humidity. We're back to 83. Front comes in on Monday. Could trigger a shower in a couple of spots. And then look at next week. Cooler, 65 and 68. Back to 76 by Thursday. We hold there Friday as moisture comes back and gives us a spotty shower. But tonight looks gorgeous. Tomorrow night looks gorgeous. And the whole weekend looking pretty nice across the valley.